Hello everyone, it's Steiner, and I'm with, you know who? The idiot.
Yeah. Yep.
And I'm scared of her already. Because we're gonna be doing
Even
this.
though I'm younger than you.
Why?
You're scared of me even though I'm like 2 years younger than you.
What, you two? You two? Anyways. I forgot what we were doing. What were we doing?
I don't know.
Didn't you, say something about Among Us?
Something. Yeah, I think it was something about Among Us.
What the hell did I just draw? Anyways, I don't know. What do we do?
I don't know.
I guess we draw Among Us.
Yep. Let's draw Among Us.
Cringy or actual?
I don't know. Whatever you want.
Okay, I'll do actual because I don't have anything else to do.
I'm gonna do actual too because drawing Among Us cringe makes me uncomfortable.
Yeah, it makes me uncomfortable too. I am very scared. I'm not drawing Among Us.
Epic Gamer!
I am scared. I have no potential.
Probably sounds like I have a lisp whenever I talk because I'm talking into a literal earbud.
What the hell did I just laugh at?
I don't know.
Yeah, you just went silent there. Very sorry. So, this is pretty awkward because this is this is pretty awkward.
Pick a new genre of art. How about just straight up a weird? Just weird.
You know, sometimes I don't know how I even met you. Yeah, through Hurricane Laura, but Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it's like, how are we even cousins? It's like,
Exactly.
heyo. It's like, heyo, we're cousins and you haven't met each other in your entire lives. Let's show you to each other now.
In the middle of a hurricane.
You are.
Yeah, middle of a hurricane. Seems legit.
Yep.
Jesus.
That's about the right time to introduce us to each other.
Yep. Just jeez, man. I don't know, but I just really don't know. To hell.
Oh my god, I tried to draw some guy pointing and it ended up looking like a middle finger.
I don't know what to draw. Probably something that I can find. And I can just see the old art. Cringe. Hopefully everything.
Maybe we can just draw random art.
Well, that's what I'm about to do. Earth meets some surf. Yes, Earth cut. I want to see I want to see what the hell this is. Oh, that's not Earth cut. What? That's what? Jesus, I cannot spell.
Oh, I'm looking through my files and I'm finding some really old art from Painter Essentials. You know what? I'm going to redraw it.
Years! I forgot
This
how
one
this.
is actually kind of cute, to be honest.
I forgot how
It's
to spell Earth.
It's like two little dog things.
Toodle, what? Dog?
Two little dog things.
Oh, two little dog things. Okay.
Yeah, I guess I really like using the mirror feature in Painter Essentials because it's definitely mirrored. So I'm gonna do the same.
We're already 5 minutes in. I'm still in the sketch. That's interesting.
I started my sketch because I couldn't figure out what to draw.
I'm already drawing something like space animal cats. Guess.
What do you mean you're only 5 minutes in and you're still on the sketch? That is normal to me.
I don't.
Do you draw like super fast as your style or something?
No, I just usually I really just start off actually, but I just didn't know what to draw, so I just took my sweet time. Lord.
Your sweet little.
Yes, my sweet little time.
This is gonna be like. I was a huge furry whenever I was in Painter Essentials. So
Really?
I might make some furry art. I don't know. Yeah, I was obsessed with them.
Jeez.
I literally made a character called Bella the Savage Bunny.
Bella the Savage Bunny. Jesus
Yes.
Christ.
She's so savage.
She's so savage. Yes.
But I was using the term savage because I had watched Zootopia. And I was like, oh, savage means to know feral or something.
Oh!
So, yeah. You were like, oh my god. How does this child even know what savage means? Which I really didn't.
Just, all you thought it was oh yeah, it's a feral. And it's a bunny. Yeah, let me just use savage.
Cute little dog things. They're actually kind of cute.
Jesus Christ, I cannot draw Earth.
I'm tempted to give them 80 wings.
Oh, Jesus Christ, my guy.
I'm just going to attempt to give them wings literally everywhere.
Lord. Too easy. It's the final breakdown. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do.
Breakdown? It's the final breakdown. It's the final countdown, not the breakdown.
I'm sorry, I can't think.
Well, that was obvious already. You just stated the obvious. Hey. We all know you can't think, lady.
Of course, no one can think.
Alright,
I'm just gonna draw a past Earth.
I'm gonna try to fix this. I'm gonna attempt to fix the messy sketch. Because it's kind of weird looking, to be honest.
Jesus Christ, I cannot draw this stupid fluff. I am the stupidest person.
You're drawing a moth?
I'm not drawing a moth. Why would I draw?
I thought you just said moth.
I said I can't draw fluff that good.
Oh!
God, I have to move things everywhere.
I can help you with that.
No.
Aw, man.
You know, man, you do really realistic stuff. Just do pretty much cartoony. Which I don't
I do cartoony, it comes out too realistic, and I get really mad.
I mean...
Okay, so this thing had a really curved snout. I'm gonna keep that.
Jeez, the mouth is so tiny. Oh my god! Okay. Okay, there we go. Just gonna stick it like that.
Oh, it had, really big ears.
Like, how big?
Pretty big.
On the scale to 1 to 10.
Probably about 11.
Jesus. Sounds like my old art.
Yeah, I'm gonna size him down a lot.
I'm gonna pause the
I have
video.
a feeling.
I am scared.
Tell me whenever you start.
I don't know, I just started. Whatever. Plus. Fourth. I didn't want to sort of see that. I wanted to know what's the past Earth. Try to draw like little freaking stupid Earth. Yes. Just Orf. Yes. Let's call it Orf. And this is not telling me if this is the past Orf. No, I'm just gonna.
So I guess I'll keep that.
I don't know, but what the. I don't know.
I might change the blue or the red out for purple.
I'm just gonna go with that. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna
This
go.
looks like a
I'm just gonna go with like orange, red. What do you call it?
demon. I
Boom,
made a demon.
boom.
All I have to do is just summon it now.
Let me see
Kylie,
the demon.
Get the spell book. Get the spell book.
I thought you meant the cross book. I thought you meant Jesus.
No, I don't need the Bible. I need the spell book. I need a.
Well, I brought the Bible book. What it says here is.
My mom wants you to bring the spell book. You insolent fool!
I just wanted to bring the Jesus back to life.
Stupid idiot. You have to pay for this.
I don't want to pay. I don't have enough money.
Oh, you're gonna pay, lady.
I can't pay. I'm broke. I'm broke. I can't pay.
Well then, fine. You're fine. You're gonna pay with your life then.
Oh yeah, really? I'm going to wait, no, I'm going to heaven.
Come on, just give me your life real quick.
No,
I need.
I'm going back to the
Well,
sun.
that's your payment.
I'm
You
going
don't
out.
give me it,
I'm
I'll
going
take
back
it.
to the sun. I'm going back to the sun. Where I belong.
Jimmy,
No.
get the trucks. Get the
Oh
trucks and
god.
flamethrowers.
No. Oh no. Please don't kill me. Emu. Emu.
Kill you.
No. No, I'm sorry.
Alright. Well, you're gonna get run over by a space rover. Bye.
Wait, what is it called? Space Rover?
Yes.
Huh. Never heard of that.
It's a. Have you seriously not heard of a space rover?
No, I have never.
Wow, you're an idiot. Ugh,
You don't say.
we are so mean to each other.
Exactly. I could not.
But that's how we get along. Yay.
Yay. Please help me. I've kept capsage.
Now
Cap-
give me your life!
Oh god.
Stop.
I don't know if this is how you draw like posters, but this is the closest I can get. This is really the closest I can get.
Posture?
Oh god, I have to pause the video. You just record up to.
Why is it sick? Then why is it so long for you? Mine only
Because-
goes to 15 minutes.
Bro, it goes for 15 minutes too, Buster.
I know. You're saying we have 14 minutes left.
I didn't say that it's like in the 14. It's in the 14.
Talking to Kylie, Scotty. Go away. Yes.
I have no clue, because I just started whatever the hell is going on. And I have.
Going to kill you.
Please start. Really? We only have like a few more seconds left. I mean minutes.